Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of leftover yarn crochet projects. And I think I'm gonna make a fingerless gloves and I'm gonna use this color. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough yarn. If I don't have enough yarn, I might add some this color to it. Or maybe this one. Maybe this one. I'm not sure yet. Or I might have enough yarn. We will see. Let's get started. I'm gonna use a 9mm crochet hook. I went ahead and make one side. I wanna show you. Here's what I have. I think it's super cute. I hope I have enough yarn for the other one. First, make slip knot. Then I'm gonna make 15 chains loosely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 14, and 15. It is about 7 inches. Row 1, I'm gonna make a yarn over, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. I yarn over my hook. I skip the first chain, insert the hook into the next chain, but I like to insert into the little bump on the back of the chain. You don't have to do that, totally up to you. Then I yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through all the loops on the hook. Then I'm gonna make yarn over, slip stitch into each chain across. If this loop on your hook a little tight, be sure to pull it up a little bit. Okay, I yarn over my hook, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through all the loops on the hook. Repeat, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through all the loops on the hook. Alright, I'm gonna keep repeating this across. I'm at the end of row 1. I have 14 stitches across. Row 2, chain 1 and turn. The chain 1 never count as a stitch. Then I'm gonna make yarn over, slip stitch into each back loop across. But into the last stitch, I'm gonna insert into both loops. I will show you, don't worry. So I yarn over my hook, insert the hook into the first stitch, but into the back loop only. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through all the loops on the hook. Then repeat. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, back loop only. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through all the loops on the hook. Keep repeating this across. And I will meet you guys back in when I have one stitch left. Okay, I have one stitch left. I'm gonna yarn over my hook. Then I'm gonna insert my hook into the last stitch, both loops. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through all the loops on the hook. Okay, at the end of row 2, I have the same 14 stitches across. And for row 3 to row 13, I'm gonna repeat row 2. And every row, you're gonna have the same amount of these stitches. I'm gonna show you one more row, which is row 3. I chain 1 and turn, just repeat row 2. I'm gonna make yarn over, slip stitch into each back loop across, but into the last stitch, I'm gonna insert into both loops. I yarn over my hook, insert the hook into the first stitch, back loop only. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through all the loops on the hook. Then repeat. Okay, this is the last stitch. I'm gonna yarn over my hook, then insert the hook into both loops like that. Then yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and pull through all the loops on the hook. Here's what it looks like at the end of row 3. I'm gonna keep repeating row 2 until I reach the end of row 13. Then I will be back. Good luck and take your time. I'm at the end of row 13, and next I'm gonna chain 1, then cut the yarn, leave about 8 inches long tail, I'll say 10 inches. Then after that, I put a yarn out. Then we're gonna sew this fingerless glove together using a yarn needle. I insert the tail into my yarn needle. You can choose whichever side you want to be on the outside or the inside, totally up to you. So I'm just gonna fold it like this. Then I'm gonna sew 6 stitches on this side. I got the tail come from this side. I insert my needle into the first stitch on that side, both loops. Pull through. Then insert into the same stitch one more time, just to lock the yarn. I insert into both loops on both sides. So here's my first stitch. I insert into the next stitch here, both loops. Next stitch there, both loops. And then pull through. Next stitch here, both loops. And then next stitch there, both loops. So far I have 3 stitches. I'm gonna keep sewing until I have 6 stitches sewn. Okay, then after that I'm gonna weave the end. I'm gonna tie a couple knots here. Just one knot I think is good. Then I'm gonna hiding my tail. Okay. Then I'm gonna cut new strand of yarn to sew on the top part. Then insert that tail into the yarn needle. Then I'm gonna insert my needle into the first stitch on the top part here. And then first stitch there, both loops. Then pull through. Then insert into the same stitch one more time. Pull through. So I'm gonna sew 4 stitches on this top part. So now I have the first stitch sewn. Then move on to the next stitch here and next stitch there. Pull through. Next stitch here, next stitch there. Pull through. Next stitch here, next stitch there. Pull through. Then I'm gonna tie a couple knots and weave all the ends, and I will do that later. Here's what this looks like. Try it on. If this too tight, you can sew less stitches, or if it's too big, like big gap, sew more stitches. Super cute. I like it a lot. Alright, I just need to weave all the ends and I'm done. After I weave all the ends, then I turn the right side out and I'm done with this fingerless gloves. It's super cute. I love it so much. And I have enough yarn for it. I also have a little bit left here. So lucky. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video, which is day 3 of leftover yarn crochet project. Bye bye.